Even a subtle change can create a large impact. When examining biological data, this principle applies more than ever. That's why we designed an interactive website to explore, study, and gain insights on gender difference and the impact of estrus cycles on mice. When observing the data at a high level, the averages can be misleading, so we decided we need to investigate the temperature and activity level with greater granularity. Our visualization allows you to examine the group averages to an individual basis, explaining the tangible differences between groups and illustrating patterns that are lost from a high-level overview.
The pie chart shows the distribution of temperature and activity across female and male mice. By sharing the same legend within each category, one can observe that the average temperature of female mice is higher than that of the male mice, while the average activity of the male mice is higher than that of female mice. Also, there's a scrolly box that only left that contains the average stats for female and male mice for each hour of the day. Therefore, by scrolling down, one can observe that how mice temperature change over the 24-hour cycle. And if you click on a slice of pie chart, you will advance to another line chart with data specifically filtered according to the slice you just clicked.
This graph displays the average body temp or activity throughout the daily cycle of male and female mice. Each line can be selected to show all daily cycles for a gender. This facilitates comparison between male versus non-estrus female versus estrus female. As we can see, the graph also allows for panning to examine parts of the day where differences may vary. We can also toggle between temperature and activity. Once we click into a specific line, we'll be taken to an animation and where we can analyze these differences further and observe side by side a female and male's activity and body temperature change throughout the course of the experiment to explore the story of each pair of mice and how their metrics vary.
Our main takeaway is that the core body temperatures and activity levels of male and female mice oscillate following circadian rhythms and differ between sexes both throughout the day as well as over multiple days. Furthermore, the estrus cycle significantly influences these health measurements for female mice, which can be explored in our average and animated line plots. The observation of these biological sex differences is a crucial consideration when using mice as model organisms to further medical research.